What's going on, world? It's your man Pat Caesar, Seasall LLC, mobile mechanic and roadside services. I'm over here at the shop right now, man, and I meant to document this. I really did, but I had a situation that I'm gonna try to put some bits and clips in, but I recorded it on my phone versus on the GoPro. So if it works out right, you will see those in here. If not, then you know, of course you won't. But I'm gonna explain the story and what this thing is, and we're gonna get into it right after the intro. All right, man, so I'm over here chilling up at the shop. See, I got the old caddy still on stands. I got my tranny right here. I got to put this tranny, I got to rebuild it. Not looking too forward to doing it. I'm trying to get into the shop so I can get some quietness. It's my Subaru project. Y'all been, well, I don't even know, y'all ain't even introduced y'all to yet. I'll get back to this another day. It's another Civic one. I love this thing. Got to fix these lawnmowers and quads and everything else. But either way, so a few nights ago, I had a call to do a winch out. And I went out, told him a good price, got out there on my road back. I'm thinking, they told me the dude's right off the road. Now I get there, and he's not right off the road. They said, oh yeah, he's right off the road, you can see him from the road. Yeah, he was like 80 foot, excuse me, inside of this orange grove. He was doing work on his, oh, I can't say that on YouTube, I forgot, Cinco Hay Tower, right? And so either way, I'm debating on myself, like, it just got done raining and my tow truck's not forward drive, and I'm like, man, the last time I was in a situation like this, I got stuck. And I remember getting stuck, and I'm like, what happened? And I remember it took me 6 hours to get my truck unstuck. If I could find pictures of that, I'll throw it in, but I have no idea where I put those on one of my hard drives. So either way, I called up my homie D-Man, who has a couple bays down from me, and I'm like, yo, bro, where you at? He's like, man, you know, what's up? I'm like, I got a vehicle that's stuck. I need some help. I don't have anything that's forward drive. My original recovery vehicle was my Cadillac. So that my Cadillac's down, my Expedition does not have forward drive. That's just my beater truck until I get this thing back ready. But I forgot that I had this thing. And I'm like, oh man, I'm too far out from it. Can you come through and help me out? Is my phone ringing again? And he's like, yeah, man, where's my phone? Where I put my phone? So either way, he said, yeah, bro, I'll come and help you out. Where you at? I give him the coordinates. He says, give me 15-20 minutes. Me and the customer are chopping it up. And well, I'll try, like I say, I'll try to implant bits and pieces of the night, but I ended up having to call the cavalry. What's going on, brother? It's your man Pat Caesar, Seasall LLC, mobile mechanic and roadside services. I'm out here in the middle of the woods right now. You kind of can't see, but I'm in the old road back, and I'm probably about a good 40 feet away from that car that I need to get out. He is stuck like you wouldn't believe. And this, we're in the grove, so I may get stuck coming out to get him. We're gonna go another route about this, but just want to take a moment to say somebody has it worse than you right now, and it might be this guy. So be thankful for what you're at, or where you're at, what you're doing, and what you got going on, because some people getting dirty, some people getting stuck. So the first, where is my phone? So the first thing that happened is D-Man came out and he was proceeding to help me in his Jeep, but it wasn't actually his Jeep, he was in his wife's Jeep. I thought that was my phone ringing. And what happened is, now that it's daytime, I guess I'm gonna go and I'm gonna show you the problem. So this wouldn't have been a problem had things went the way that I thought. So this is D-Man's Jeep. This is the one we did the flex on for the 100 or the thousand subs, and it was down. So he came out in his wife's Jeep, which was equally gnarly, but the forward drive was not working. So that put me in a bit of a predicament. So he pulls, he asks, do you have a chain? I'm like, yes, I have a chain. We'll pull out the chain. He proceeds to pull this guy out. He was in a 2018 or 2016, something like that, Chevrolet Camaro. He is frame deep down inside of the sand. So not to bore you with all the details, he rused to tell this guy's brand new car, sand everywhere, this thing was super clean, the guy was just out there just trying to do his job. I felt very, very bad. So he realized he wasn't gonna get him out in two-wheel drive, even with yanking him, which I did not want him to do, but we was trying to get this thing out. So he calls his brother comes in another 15-20 minutes. It's crazy because he got stuck like right under this 5G tower. I don't know what he was doing out here. Nice Camaro though. So this has become a measure of epic proportions. We have another vehicle out here. We got to get the one truck stuck. I called my homie D-Man, and he was trying to help me out, but his 4x4 is not working in his Jeep. So now we got the second Jeep because I cannot get out here in the rollback. He's rolling. Hey, you come right in here. You good? Just try to be as gentle as possible. He's saying go that way. I guess keep on going straight. Those trees are just as big. I got you. I got you. All this for this. No, he has four-wheel drive. He has a similar XJ, and I told him, I said, D-Man, I forgot I got something at the shop that I was actually gonna sell this thing, but I'm gonna keep it because I can't wait for my Cadillac to be back done. I am not gonna be in this situation again to where I am calling somebody to get me out from a recovery, especially as one as simple as this. Long story short, his brother pulled through, he came through, and like 2 minutes later, the guy was out. So this is an introduction to my 2005 Ford Explorer. You can tell I got quite a bit of trucks, and this ain't even a half of it. This is just what I see. This thing is factory, man. It's cold. It's got like 160,000 miles on it. It's the 4.0 V6. It cranks right up. Boom, just like that. A couple check engine lights on. It was just an EGR valve, I think, which I'm not gonna change. But third row seat. So I decided I was gonna make this into my new roadside vehicle until I got my Caddy back on the road, because the train is gonna cost me like $2,500 to rebuild it. I'm debating on doing it myself, but I'm not a transmission expert, so I doubt I'm gonna do it, but I may. I don't know. So either way, I was gonna document this whole thing. What I ended up doing is, and I still gotta put the tag on here, I'll do that probably today or tomorrow, is I just ran the cable to do a rear mount. So I did not actually rear mount the battery. What I did was run two batteries. So this one is dedicated directly towards this winch, which I also got. This 13,000 pound super gnarly winch. It's got about 120 foot of cable. And I said I was gonna make a video documenting how to rear mount a battery and all this, but I didn't. I got out here, I got antsy. I'm about to go and test the four-wheel drive now to verify it works, but the wires are pretty flawless. I got this part I still got to tuck down, and then I got it ran through here and then directly here. So we have 14.2 up here, 14.2 on the rear, and 415s didn't see no wires. Except for that little piece right there, which I'll cover up. But we ain't gotta worry about that ripping. So I had to have a recovery vehicle, and this is gonna be my recovery vehicle. It's four-wheel drive, low miles. It was supposed to be for sale. That's my other truck over there too, that Dodge that you see in the background. I gotta finish that thing. So yeah, welcome to the recovery and roadside part, because I am SeasallAuto mobile mechanic and roadside assistance. So this is a part of my roadside assistance. I'm about to go and test the four-wheel drive for the first time, and hopefully this works. I'm not too sure. We are gonna see exactly what this thing is capable of. Like I said, it was supposed to be for sale, but you know, desperate times calls for desperate measures, and I can't be calling people out to come and help me every time I get stuck. So like, share, subscribe. Thank y'all for watching, and keep on watching, because when I get a couple more winch outs and such like that, I'll bring y'all along for the journey so y'all can check this out too. Now we're gonna test the four-wheel drive, so I'll make that in another video. Until next time, mi gente, be pro mundo beneficio siempre. Peace.